Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach the first unit in the state board syllabus, metallurgy. What is meant by metallurgy? Metallurgy, it is the study of the metals. Okay, study of the metals means so many things are there, but in this chapter, what and all we are going to study? We are going to study minerals, ores, extraction of the metal from its ore. Next one, Ellingham diagram, uses of the metals. These are only we are going to study under the title metallurgy. Here first we go through the flow chart. If you go through the flow chart, metallurgy I gave explanation. Next one, minerals. What is meant by minerals? Minerals means naturally occurring substance. They are called as minerals. Naturally occurring substances are called as minerals. It is obtained in the form of compounds or in free state. In the form of compounds, what type of compounds? Maybe oxide compounds or sulfide compounds. Understood all of you? Free state means the costly metals such as gold, platinum are occurred in free state, the earth crust. That means it contains very less impurities. Next one, what is meant by ores? What is meant by ores? The apt definition is the minerals which contain high percentage of the metal. Such mineral only we are calling as ores. Okay, understood. And also another one condition also given. If we extract the metal from the minerals, that is from the minerals economically, conveniently, such minerals only we are calling as ores. Understood? All the ores we can call it as minerals because ores are the part of the minerals. Okay, ores means the minerals which contain high percentage of the metal and economically and conveniently if we extract the metal from the minerals, such minerals only we are calling as ores. Okay, next now if you go through this definition, minerals, a naturally occurring substance. Next one, it is obtained by mining, which contains the metal in free state or in the form of compounds like oxides, sulfides, etc. Okay, all the ores are minerals. Example is given like this. Next one, what is meant by ores? Minerals that contain a high percentage of the metal. Metal can be extracted conveniently and economically. Such minerals only we are calling as what? Ores. Next one, all the minerals are not ore. That means what? We cannot extract metal from all the minerals. Understood? The which metals are suitable for the extraction of the metals, that minerals only we are calling as ores. The examples I have given like this. Next one, the next one, first we in the metallurgy I have given the explanation. Minerals also finished. Next one, ores also finished. Next one, extraction of the metal from its ore. Extraction of the metal from its ore. What are the steps we are following for the extraction of the metal? First method, concentration of the ore. Second method, extraction of crude metal. Third step, refining process. First step, concentration of the ore. Second step, extraction of crude metal. Third step, refining process. Children, repeat, what are the steps do we follow for the extraction of the metal from its ore? First step, concentration of the ore. Second step, extraction of the crude metal. Third step, refining process. Okay, children, why I am giving much important to this one? No, at the back of your lesson, two questions are given. Distinguish minerals and ores. If you understood the meaning, you can easy to write the answer. Okay, next question, what are the steps do you follow for the extraction of the metal from its ore? Okay, very easy questions, easy to get the 2 marks. These questions they may ask in the 2 mark questions. Tomorrow we are going to study concentrate the ores. What are the methods of the concentration? That and all we are going to study by tomorrow. Today I put less content only because this is the first day. First of all, whether you understood or not, you say in the comment. Like it, share it, and comment it. Thank you, children.